Okay, I'm back in the warmth of the studio. I've got to share with you the second snowstorm of 2010 right here in the DC area in Washington DC. I'm up in Northwest Washington DC. This snowstorm is off the chain. Check this out. All right, here we go. Blizzard conditions. Whoa. Can you beat that? Look at this. We're out in the blizzard in DC. I didn't even pull my, gosh, I forgot to pull my wiper blades up. But visibility is short. As you can see, the snow is a monster out here. It's pretty windy as far as wind goes. Blizzard conditions, the way they forecasted it. So I'm going to go out here. Whoa, you can see the steps on it. Just absolutely crazy. Look at that. Deep. I was out here shoveling yesterday. And howdy. I was out here shoveling yesterday and it was really high. But I'm going, I bought the tape measure with me. Okay? Let's see. This is the new snow right here from yesterday. Can you see that? It's 13 more inches. And I shoveled that yesterday. That's the mound from yesterday. This is new snow right here. 15. At least I believe it's showing 15. Can you see that? Let's see. I know the wiper blades are in here somewhere. Can you beat that? Ah, there they are. There the wiper blades. Full of ice. And we've got snow all over. I'll have to get out here with the shovel. Oh, this is just absolutely amazing. Oh, this is a snow burn. Now, you can see our street is pretty well clear for the most part. This is going to the south. And this, going this direction, you can see how clear it is there. And then that's the wiper blade I did pull up. So now I got to find the other wiper blade. Let's see. I know it's in here. Man, that's fresh snow. Because I came in last night from doing my radio show. There's the wiper blade right there. Not that it matters, because you know that Snickers commercial? Ain't going nowhere for a while? Well, that's us. Go back and retrieve the tape measure. See what we got going as far as new snow. Yeah, there's the tape measure. It's not too deep on top of the car. This is snow. Mr. Jones, my neighbor, and we emptied that. And you can see it's about 9 or 10. This is what a blizzard looks like, man. And that's what I cleared off. Yeah, real blizzard conditions, socially speaking. Love the snow. It's all right. And I don't even have snow boots. That's the blizzard of 2010. Now I gotta get the shovel.